Has never gotten to the end of the day with the feeling that all you needed to do was lie down and put your feet up. After all, your legs are the ones that suffer from all the walking and standing you do all day long. Having tired legs is normal, but in some cases can be very uncomfortable. Both men and women can have tired legs, although women normally suffer more than men. The main cause of tired legs are circulation problems. That means that your blood can't get back to your heart and it gets stuck around your ankles or calves. Whenever your legs are tired, they may feel heavy. You may also be tired whenever you stand up. Your lower limbs may swell and you may experience cramps, itchiness, and pins and needles. In order to prevent this problem, here are some tips you can follow. Avoid spending too much time in the same position. If you stand or sit all day at work, try changing your position every once in a while. You can also try some small exercises while you are at work, like taking off your shoes and pointing your toes. Lift your legs during the day. If you can, try lifting your legs and feet several times a day. If you can't, do it when you get home. Your legs should be above your heart. Don't expose yourself to heat. Avoid spending too much time in the sun, wearing a lot of constricting clothing, and taking hot baths. Heat exposure may worsen your problem. Don't drink alcohol or smoke. Alcoholic beverages dilate and contract your veins and make them less permeable. Furthermore, they make your legs swell up. Cigarettes also alter your veins and arteries' health. Lose some weight. The extra pounds you are carrying worsen your situation and keep your blood from circulating the way it should. If you suffer from obesity, you should start a healthy diet. It will help you not feel as tired and improve your overall health. In order to relieve stress and end leg discomfort, we're going to teach you a great recipe. It will be just like having a spa at home. This recipe calls for 7 liters of hot water, 1 cup of Epsom salts, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 5 drops of mint essential oil, 1 cup of mint tea, 1 cup of lemon juice, and a few lemon slices. All you need to do is soak your feet in this mixture for about 15 minutes. Then massage your feet to get rid of all of the dead skin cells. This powerful mixture will relax your feet and improve your circulation. Try out this recipe and tell us what you think. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.